So welcome back to the second part of my hike, guys. Right now I'm climbing up Kirkfell. I'm not going to go to the top. I'm just going to go around it and then drop into Ennerdale Forest. It's about 2 or 3 hours of sunlight left. So I'm going to need to get a move on now, and hopefully I'll get there before nightfall. Got to the top of Kirkfell. Well, not to the top of Kirkfell. Kirkfell is that one there behind me. I've just gotten to the top of the ridge that I'm hiking up to. It's getting a bit dark right now, as you guys can see. I'm about to drop into Ennerdale now, so not much further at all. Not much further. Morning, guys. Sorry I didn't finish filming everything last night. My phone died and I was on my way into Ennerdale. It got pretty dark anyway, so you wouldn't have been able to see anything. Like, I didn't pitch up till about 11:30 last night. I was absolutely shattered. I think I'd done about a 13.5 hour hike yesterday. So yeah, I was pretty tired after that, to be honest. Had a little bit of a late morning this morning. So I'm just chilling out here by the stream at the moment. Just relaxing, getting some energy back. Just had my breakfast. And now we're gonna be carrying up towards Red Pike, over Red Pike, and then down to Buttermere. And after Buttermere, we're going to be carrying on towards Keswick. Probably won't get there today though. We'll pitch up somewhere before Keswick. Get into Keswick tomorrow, where I can resupply my food and all that. But yeah, it actually looks like quite a nice day today, which is a change considering I was in a blizzard yesterday. I mean, the clouds are covering up the sky right now, but it looks relatively clear on the whole. So it should be a nice day, and maybe a completely contrasting day to yesterday where I was in a blizzard. Oh, that was so fun though. I'd never had so much fun on the mountain, but like once it started smashing down in my face, I was like, whoa. I mean, it was like those 2 minutes, like basically I could see so clearly on the top of Esk Pike, I think, and then within about 3 or 4 minutes dropping down, I couldn't see nothing. The snow started hitting in. It just kept getting a little bit stronger and a little bit stronger and a little bit stronger. And then next thing I know, I just had snow in my face for the whole day. Absolutely great. You know when somebody comes walking past and start looking at you, talking to yourself as if you're crazy. Oh well. It's alright, I'm crazy. It's fine. It's fine. I know I'm crazy. You know I'm crazy. We all know I'm crazy. I mean, if you didn't know I'm crazy, you must have learned it yesterday when I was smiling in a blizzard about 900 meters up. Oh. Yeah, well, today's going to be a fun day anyways. We're going to push up to Red Pike, Buttermere, and then on toward Keswick. But we're going to go in between the valley. So we're going to be following a nice little stream, hopefully. Up through the valley and towards Keswick. So I think it's time I need to start getting my tent down and start thinking about making moves, because it is hitting on about 11 o'clock, if not later. It's just so peaceful here though. So we've just set off on our hike today. It's a bit of a late one. I think it's nearly nearly 12 o'clock, but I stopped so late last night. I needed to sleep in a little bit, and I was probably a little bit slow and sluggish this morning. I'm not too worried about having a late start though, because I made some very good distance yesterday. Like, I can't wait to work out how many kilometers I actually done yesterday, because I'm sure I've done a lot. But yeah, anyways, now we're gonna carrying up to Red Pike, then to Bottomir, and then on to Cazy. It should be quite fun. I just made it on top of Red Pike, so I think we all know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take in the sights, I'm going to recuperate, I'm going to chill, I'm going to crack on. That's what we do. And then we're going to go down that path there, follow it around to the right, follow that path down there, go to the other side of that dod there, drop into Bottomir. And then we're going to follow that valley up toward Cazy. So, just decided to stop off and enjoy the sunlight, take in some sun, which I kind of need because it's been a cold day yesterday. Clearly being in a blizzard. I really don't understand this weather. Sunshine one day, blizzard the next. Wow, that's different. Can't say I'm not enjoying it though. So fun this. So much. She keeps just throwing stuff at you. Just gonna chill for here for a little while, take the sun in, and I'm gonna crack on as per usual. Catch you in a bit, guys. So just made it off of Red Pike, heading into Bottomir now, and then we're going to be carrying on along the valley. Doesn't have a name, but we're going to carry on along the valley that drops off from Whiteless Pike, because I don't think I can climb that right now, to be honest. So after a bit of a late start today, probably going to getting down a bit later than I intended. I was hoping to be down by about 9 o'clock, but it's hitting on 9 now. There's nowhere flat to pitch up for tonight, so I'm just going to carry on until I find anything, absolutely anything flat to pitch up, because I don't really want to be walking until half 11 again. So it's 11:30 again, and I've only just managed to set the tent up, so it's another incredibly late one. I'm definitely gonna have to be out early tomorrow because I'm not too sure about the grounds I'm in. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm on National Trust territory because I am on a public footpath, but I know there's a couple of houses around here, so it's probably gonna be an early start tomorrow and get out nice and early. And then hopefully, not hopefully, I will definitely not be stopping at 11:30 tomorrow night. Like, you have my words. 8 o'clock at the latest, I will be pitched and chilling. Like, I'm not. As much as I'm really enjoying the night hikes, like, they're great. They're absolutely beautiful. It's just walking on the trails that you can barely see. Well, my ankles are sore, to say the least. So yeah, I'm just going to get my food together and get to bed as quickly as I can, to be honest, because I am absolutely shattered. So it's going to be a good night from me, guys. Morning, guys. So it's about 8 o'clock this morning. Got an early move this morning because I literally just camped there and I noticed there was houses here. So I'm not too sure whether or not I'm on private land or whether or not they have a problem me camping here. So got an early start to the day, but nevertheless that will just mean I'll get to where I'm camping a hell of a lot earlier tonight and hopefully not have a night hike again. Actually, I'm pretty sure I won't have a night hike again because I just looked at where I'm going and it's not actually that far. So I'm quite happy about that. I'll get there relatively early tonight. But yeah, so we're heading on into Keswick now. Then we're going to go to a stone circle, which I think is something made from the Druids, I think. Then we're going to be hitting on in between the mountains and going to a little forest that should be on ground level. So we're going to have a pretty low level day today, which should be nice. I feel like I need it. So I just sorted myself out in Keswick, topped up food, got myself a burger and whatnot, and now I'm just arriving at the stone circle. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, hello. Managed to find myself a campsite for tonight by a lake. I think I'm going to camp here. I'm not too sure whether or not I can actually camp here or not, so I'm just going to hang around for a little bit and see if anybody says anything. But in the meantime, dipping my feet in the water. Really nice little wash. And I finally got myself a can of Stella. I know some of you hardcore fans out there might be a bit upset with me, so I thought I'd better go out and get one. Just make you guys happy. That was a bit frothy, that. The sun is absolutely smashing down right now. Absolutely gorgeous weather. Alright, well, the sun's gone down now, so I suppose it's time to set up the tent. It's getting kind of chilly out here, and head off to bed. Good morning. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Just woke up, start packing. And today we're going to be carrying on toward Helvellyn, then down Striding Edge. Really excited about that. I've been looking forward to doing Striding Edge for over a year now. I just haven't got around to this part of the lakes yet. And now I'm here, I get to do Striding Edge. Yeah, boy. Can't wait. That's going to be fun. It's a bit cold this morning. Hopefully it'll warm up before I get out there. The sun's not quite out yet, or it's out, it just hasn't come over the mountains and started shining on me yet. So right now I'm here. I'm going to follow these trails all the way around here to Dell Head and up to Thel Spot Farm. And I'm going to be following that trail there all the way up to Helvellyn. Then we're going to go down Striding Edge, which looks very steep and very fun. I'm at the bottom of Helvellyn right now, just decided to stop to have some breakfast. Today we've got Wayfarers, all day breakfast, yeah boy. It's a bit of a rainy day today, which is a complete change from the past couple of days. I've had blizzards, I've had strong sunshine, and now I have persistent rain. Yay! Lake District's proper testing me this time, but don't worry Lake District, I will survive. I will summit Helvellyn and I will go down Striding Edge today, no matter what. Then we'll be on our way towards Oldswater and then down towards Aria Force. I think we'll make it today. I actually don't mind it raining today, although I would prefer if it was clear when I get on top of Helvellyn and the Striding Edge. But it will make Area Force waterfall look so much nicer when it's been a nice rainfall, because it'll be so strong. So that'd be a cool thing to see. But yeah, so we're going to be going up along that route there towards Brown Crag and then up towards Helvellyn. But before I do those times, I think it's time for me to have some breakfast. Alright, well, I think my breakfast is done now. Good old Wayfarers full English. Yeah. And I'm going to have a cup of tea as well. Oh yeah, that's good. You know, like when you're a kid and you get like the beans and pork sausages, like in the Heinz beans and pork sausages. That's what that reminds me of. It's pretty much exactly the same, apart from it has a bit of egg and bacon in it too. One of my favourite breakfasts on the mountain. I think that needs a bit more sugar. Lovely. Trying to get a bit of shelter from the rain, sitting around this wall. But this is what Lake District's usually like. Raining all the time. All of the time. Well, my tea's done, so I suppose it's time I get off. Hey! It's fucking smashing it down! The wind is so strong up here, it's crazy! Probably not going to keep my phone out for too long. I don't know how much footage I'll get of me climbing this because the rain is just mental. And obviously I don't want to break my phone and stuff like that. But I will definitely check in with you guys again when I'm on top of Helvellyn. And I'll show you guys Striding Edge because that's the way I'm going down. I've just been defeated from being soaked from the persistent rain to being beaten by winds that got stronger and stronger the higher I climbed. I had never been pushed over by winds, but there was so much force there. I mean, I'm full sure I was in gale force winds, and then the gusts were probably storm force gusts because I've never had a gust that can push me over before. Yeah, I came across it today. And then, after being soaked and beaten, I came across slushy, icy snow where I absolutely froze. The higher I climbed, the worse it got. And I hadn't even hit the exposed ridge yet. I think I was about 2 kilometers from Helvellyn before I decided to turn around because it was crazy up there, and I was planning on walking down Striding Edge, which I understand to be a knife edge. So I didn't really think it was smart to carry on. I don't think I probably would have made it down safely that way. Like, I'm sure I would have hurt myself. So I had to call it, unfortunately. I'm on my way home now because I'm just so drenched. I was going to do another 2 days, but not after what I've just gone through. So guys, if you like my video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you again soon.